This video demonstrates bank receipt under vouchers. Bank receipt is the proof of transaction conducted through the bank between two parties. The voucher is important because it is an internal accounting control mechanism that ensures the amount received. To add a new bank receipt voucher, click on Add New Voucher. Select the bank account in which the payment is received. Enter check number, date, and details. Select the account from which payment is received. When a party is selected, their current account balance is displayed. Add relevant details. Add the amount you have received. Click Add. Enter optional remarks if any. Click Save. Click on Print to print the invoice. Click on New to add a new voucher. Click on Previous and Next to view other bank receipt voucher. Once the entry is made, it is recorded in the relevant ledgers. Subsequent account ledgers from whom the payment is received from is updated with the entry as well. A bank payment voucher can be cancelled as well. The cancelled voucher will stay in the record. However, it will not affect the subsequent ledgers the entry is recorded against. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.